It's nice. It's an absolute pleasure to meet you. Let's go. Shall we make our way over there? I don't care. Honestly, it's of little consequence to me. That's cool. That's really fascinating. Tell me more. I'm bored. I'm feeling a bit underwhelmed at the moment. What's new? What exciting developments have been happening? It's okay. It's all right. These things happen. I love it. I have a deep and abiding passion for it. Let's try. Why don't we give it a shot and see what happens? I'm hungry. I could really do with something to eat right about now. That's wrong. I'm afraid that's not entirely accurate. This is easy. This is a piece of cake, really. I'm angry. I'm feeling rather irritated at the moment. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning, don't you think? I need help. I could really use some assistance, if you're willing. Let's talk. Shall we have a chat and discuss a few things? I'm confused. I'm a bit perplexed. Could you clarify that for me? What do you mean? Could you elaborate on that point, please? That's great. That's fantastic news. Congratulations are in order. I'm sad. I'm feeling a bit down in the dumps at the moment. It's mine. It belongs to me, if I'm not mistaken. Let's wait. Why don't we hold off for a bit and see what develops? I'm excited. I'm thrilled at the prospect of what's to come. I'm sorry. Please accept my sincerest apologies for the inconvenience.